Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video, we will start with the part 1 to deploy a Node.js web app on AWS. I'm going to make this course video series in different parts so that it does not bore you and you enjoy and do the same thing in your lab by watching these videos. So let me just quickly show you what are we going to do in this project. We are going to follow the documentation from AWS, wherein we will deploy a Node.js web app on AWS. It takes around 6 steps and 60 minutes. It may take few more minutes because I will do it slowly and in different parts. So what are we going to accomplish in this project? You will learn how to deploy a high availability web app using Elastic Beanstalk. We'll have DynamoDB. The sample app you will use Node.js, Express, and a NoSQL database. Using Elastic Beanstalk, we can simply upload the code and Elastic Beanstalk automatically handles. We know this. And then we'll have the Amazon DynamoDB is a flexible NoSQL database. And so the structure would look like this. This is the user client. We would have the Elastic Load Balancer, and behind that we have one EC2 instance in a different availability zone. Second, in the other, we would have the Amazon S3 bucket, the simple notification service, and the Amazon DynamoDB. This would take place in one of the VPCs. By default VPCs that we have, you can have multiple VPCs. We'll accomplish the application environment Node.js, and we would have the web application using Elastic Beanstalk. We will have the email notification sent us by simple notification service. You should have an AWS account if you want to use AWS features. You would have a basic IT experience. AWS experience code is optional because Amazon would provide it. So please make sure to delete all the resources that you would create while doing this project so that you don't get charged for n number of hours. So let me just click on get started with the project. It will take you to this page. It says prerequisite and the different steps. It says prerequisites. Before you start, download the sample application source bundle from the GitHub. Let's do it. Save file. It will be saved. It says you will also need a command line terminal to run the command. We have it. This tutorial uses the command line zip utility to create a source bundle that you can deploy to this. To use the zip command in Windows, you can install Unix utils. We can do that. And then it says these are the command, the part to the binaries. We can do that later as well. So let's proceed with creating a launch in Elastic Beanstalk environment. So open up the console. If you follow this link, it will take you directly onto that stack. And if you cannot, you can sign into the console from here as well. If you're not logged in, it will surely ask you for the password. We can go with the default name. It's creating a web app in the Elastic Beanstalk environment. Application name can be tutorials environment. Then you can pre-configured configuration, sample application. Let's see what it says. It says for application code, choose sample application. Sample application. Let's see what it says. For platform, choose the platform that matches the language used by your application. Be Node.js. Right. Alrighty. Review and launch. After that, you will come onto this screen. It'll say create the app. It is creating environment as well. We'll get to this screen. Create environment is starting. It has created the security group. It has created the auto scaling launch configuration method. It has created a target group named. So let it run, and then in the next video we will proceed with part 2. Thank you.